What's up, online shoppers? If you are in the market for a new outdoor chair and you want one that rocks and is absolutely comfortable, you've got to check out these two chairs. These are the Freestyle rockers from GCI Outdoors. This one here is the original GCI Freestyle rocker right here, and this one here is the GCI Freestyle XL, and they are both phenomenal chairs. Now, this one here is rated for 250 pounds. This one here is rated for 400 pounds. As far as comparing them, this is a noticeably larger frame with a wider seat base. This one here is built the same as this one though. They are made with an alloy steel frame that's super sturdy and durable, a really nice powder coated finish, and they have lovely memory foam plus ripstop nylon covered arm rests on each of the frames of the arm. The exterior is composed of the same durable nylon ripstop canvas, and they both have this really cool feature where there's this breathable mesh to help with air circulation on hot days. That is pretty much the difference between the two, except for one small thing. Now, the Freestyle rocker original has a nice little handy cup holder right there, and I'll show you what it looks like when you sit in it. I'm about 5'6½", so when I sit in it, this is how this chair fits me. I should say too that profile wise, this is very much an upright style of rocker. So if you like to sit up straight, this has got great back support, and that's the kind of rocker that you're going to get when you purchase the Freestyle rocker. There is another chair that GCI Outdoors makes, that is the Comfort Pro and the Kickback, and those are far more relaxed in their posture, but these ones here are definitely an upright posture and super comfortable. Now, this one here is the Freestyle XL. As I said before, rated for 400 pounds, a little bit wider across the seat base, but the significant difference with this is it has a sip and snack station built into the side. You just lock it in place like this, and you are good to go. It's a nice, sturdy, compact surface to put your snacks and your drinks and your cell phone. The thing that cracked me up the most was the warning that came with this one, that opened beverages on the snack table could potentially spill. I had a chuckle at that. The thing that makes these absolutely your favorite friend for any uneven surfaces is this spring technology that they have right back here on the shocks. You can see the shocks are on both chairs on both sides, and it makes for the smoothest rocking experience, whether you are on uneven ground like my backyard here, like a beach, like a patio, or something that's more smooth like concrete or really flat ground. It doesn't affect the quality of your rocking because the springs will actually even out uneven ground and make it just a really comfortable chair to sit in. I'm going to show you how quick and easy these are to fold up. They fold up in a matter of seconds. All you have to do is clip these together. You've got a sturdy handle to hold, and as far as storage, you can see that they will store flat. You can put them in your trunk really easy, or stand them up in a corner of your garage, really nice too. If you are looking for a great chair that's comfortable, that will make you the envy of everyone at your patio party, backyard bash, campfire, beach, tailgating, kids sporting events, the Freestyle rocker and the Freestyle rocker XL from GCI Outdoors are absolutely awesome and a family favorite at my house.